You are too fine. I can't wait to introduce my guest. My guest, your friend Kjay. K to the J to the A to the Y. Kjay, baby. You know I'm always say ladies man pa. Yeah, cause dia. Ghana ha. To me more ni abrabam umuni anything but who if I'm naturally. Naturally. Who if a crowd yes, what is sre. My many my guests them won't come kakra what they say and son your the music side no. KJ, what's up?
Charlie, cool cry. I did for you, eh?
Yeah, so.
Oh, Charlie, we are just basking in God's grace.
Pressure.
Yeah.
More about Onua 95.1 FM.
Medase Felicia.
Oh, why is he a comma?
Medase.
Hey, why is we get any jet John?
Oh, money John pa.
What's the one?
Me who cry.
Hey, I'm from phone, someone can say.
Charlie voice will come you.
No one can say.
Na me see me nkumo.
Hey, and the voice is queen.
Yes.
95.1.
Oh wow, your voice said that. So you have a different voice, Okasa, and then you have a different singing voice. Adentia.
Minimum.
Natural.
Nyami de mawa. You can't really explain. So I tell.
KJ, tell us a little about yourself.
Oh, me din the me feel in the Kojo cell.
Kojo
cell. OSEW.
Wow. Me tell cell that.
Yeah.
Fantina.
A crapim.
Wow.
From a dukrum. It's a dinner the Kojo cell. And I come from your friend is saying a family of 8.
Family of 8.
Yeah. Me na me last but 5, yeah.
Onua FM 95.1.
Me na me last but 5. And then I've completely gone.
Pressure.
Oh, and yeah, says abe normal thing.
Yeah, brava. Abe normal thing. Yeah, normal.
Me really gone, but what I do is music.
Full-time music.
I do full-time music.
What?
Yeah.
So far, it's saying, is it tiring? Is it draining?
Oh, when say Juma way there up and down.
Yeah.
There are some times Ed. There are some times near called lean season.
It's a famine, no? More season.
Yeah. And to say that, then you save and invest in other.
Okay. Your mic connects at it again. Okay.
That's how I deal with it. It's basically
Onua FM 95.1.
Yeah. But I know Nema interesting.
And the money interesting. I say you want to do more.
Yeah, you want to do more.
Into who call your music?
Debut my music.
Okay, then.
Me psychology.
Psychology.
Me psychology, but my music. Music in if you family.
If you family, I don't know how for psychology 9 years Juma. Person your music. I don't know what school mom call music.
Truth of the matter is that when say we use school, I use Juma, Ghana, Cobra, sa, inti, me share there, eba easy to me, and I realized music. It's music, you know. Then I took it to the professional level. That's what I've been doing.
How many years now?
This is like from 2020.
Onua FM 95.1.
I say 12 years, 13 years. Yeah.
Yes.
12, 13 years.
And then Nasamu.
Yeah.
You're putting in hard work, son.
If it's your lifestyle, my lifestyle, so I don't see it even as work. I see it as something I'm meant to do. So I just, when I did the opera, you don't see it as work. You see it as it's something you have to do. I don't see myself, working. I see myself just doing what
living life.
I love to do.
Yeah, I say your hobby be.
Aha.
You don't get tired doing
David,
it.
David.
No off days for
No.
They're just having fun.
My dad now friend me catch me say Charlie, some gig be or be Charlie. I don't think twice. Just go.
If there's money involved or not money
FM
involved.
95.1.
I don't need some.
Because you don't think twice. You don't think twice.
At the end of the day, something should motivate me. And I'm a boy.
I said never want to think it twice.
Sikano day very important. So
you look for money in music.
I also look for money in music. But it's not like seeking why you don't do what you love to do. Okay. There are other things you do freely. So exactly.
Are you getting paid in the music? Are you getting money? Is the music paying?
Make us say it's paying, but we all want more. So I don't know.
Yes.
Because we would say it you but open more. And I'm a boy. Into when do be a year more. You also look at it. It's sanity.
Into when do be it will bring you money aside music.
Onua FM
95.1. Something I love, no dear. I cannot stop. Okay. So what I say. And the deal, if it's good and I can do it as a side hustle, I'll do it. But music,
and also interest will be
David. Doesn't.
What if say unya Adwuma bi a bit demand all your time? Now also drop music now. I say it will pay you like scrap you can't even imagine. No,
that one day, let me be very honest.
Be honest.
I'll give myself like a year
to do music.
To do that.
Adwuma no. Not this kind of yet.
No me jai.
Someone no sign contract be 5 years.
They will make a chance me pay 1 year.
Or maybe Adwuma no koya so Adwuma.
Because the thing is that when we say, first of all, you should know what you are bringing to the job. Okay. Into what value are. So what I say, what value are. The people will still listen to you. Unless, of course, you need value. So what I say. Into if someone has value, go for Tiena. Because okay, me pay 1 year and I'm pay 2 years. They will do it for you. Unless, of course, you need value. No? So what I say. Because more here means in our person.
It's also those terms ever. What will favor you?
What to favor me and what to favor you? Until you beat me and reach midpoint.
2.5 years.
And okay, cool. Until you are always no beat me there music. No?
Because music there, irrespective of your age,
you can still do the music.
Because a woman is in your DNA.
Charlie, music need there. It will be a.
What is your biggest fear in music?
My biggest fear in music, say, Obey and Juma, it will not be impactful. Say, Uncle Fobe bought Ajo, so by the end of the
FM 95.1.
What in your mouth? Say, I didn't know. Yes. So what I say, because sometimes when they are calling it, meets you and Jumbi, we say you are excited. We mean you and Jum now say, you ain't in a many engine, I am quite that. So what I say, that's the thing. And for me, dear, my greatest fear is to do stuff and then later in life, you regret doing it. And if I have to do something right now, I have to think through before I do it. Because at the end of the day, a chamber, they will question you. So that's what I think.
Because they also drink that. So drink that. And then say, may ye for a energy. And they are in for happy moment.
95.1.
What's not sounding Nana no muti? Nana, I had an answer saying.
So you have to be proud of what you've done today. So
yes, but so chawenia.
Yes, we chawenia.
And you don't believe in trendy doing trendy stuff like
I believe in that, but in trending, it has to be like relative.
Valuable trending.
Over to me a trendy song. You can talk about things happening, but with a positive aspect. So I really believe in that. But with piano, how does it impact into society? So I say, personally, I not do it because everybody else is doing it. I'll do it because First of all, okay, it's trendy. Second,
FM 95.1
into society.
That's the impact in any here.
Impact is very important.
To leave a good legacy and
because when say at the end of the day, my mama example.
Okay.
Obi to say Amachi Dede, Obi to say Daddy Lumba, Obi to say Kujuenchi. I'm sure say those days there were other guys who did songs. That's what I say. But right now, their songs are still relevant. And it's still feeding them, it's still giving them more cash. Because it's very impactful. That's what I say. So I know never mind watch our system. Because over here with some tabletop and Jum Sisia now. Maybe last for like 3 months, 1 year. And then no VR.
Then it fades away.
Yes, that's it. And that's what I believe personally.
That's nice.
So what yes?
Solid. Solid.
Onua FM,
so far, the
95.1.
Ghana music industry, challenges been our facing. And our home.
Oh, one of the things I've realized is sometimes. A total beer. Just to be clear, a total beer. We don't embrace our own. Sometimes. So what I say, we like foreign things much more. Indeed, and Onua, I think say genuinely sometimes it's killing the system. But if we are able to embrace our own like 100%, it will help us.
Now, Oka say we don't embrace our own. We value foreigners. Our own people sometimes. Our own people now, they're giving us what we want.
And also,
because semi people kuna so man benkwa na me appreciate it.
There are the people that want to give
95.1.
what you want. Yes. But as in giving them that platform. So what I say?
To give us what we want.
What you want. You get it. Because sometimes like noise makers know a lot. Sometimes a bit to say maybe a say was soon.
Okay, noise makers.
Okay, my memo example.
Sure.
Say offer Nigerian music. Now for Ghanaian music. It's a Nigerian music like in case numbers no. But a lot of them are churning out very good songs. So it's uti back to back. It's like this is good. But Ghana, there are people that are doing very good songs, and there are people that are doing very bad songs. So what I say, Nigeria so but
good songs.
The ones that they are bringing to
Onua
people
FM,
to feed the people are
95.1.
good songs. So what I say, sometimes radio stations, TV stations, other things. Maybe me artists like I say, okay, this is good. Sometimes it's not always about maybe Nipano Sikana say good. Let's push it. It's an agenda. So what I say, let's push it. Because I believe say as we're pushing it, that is what will make our music industry even more.
But also, have you thought about it? Say, so all the young breme, say Felicia, me patch up on you show no small. Na me tie nyum no. Na nyum no Kjay nyum nyɛ de o.
Ɛnyɛ de say
ɛnyɛ de. But me feel when me ka say Kjay nyum we di adaroma. Ɛnyɛ da me mbu wa bem.
Ɛno wɔ hɔ.
Yes, inti say me person bu wa bem no.
Wo no. Wo waka che me say nyɛ de no. Me believe who say
ɛde
no nyɛ de no. Me so one bar I have to find another place.
Into so call other place no mo ka say nyɛ de.
Then you should realize that people are telling you the truth. So what I say, and then you have to look at that truth and work towards it.
Because the intermakers and say Sonia Chiba eba me show so earlier this year. And also born in time or says only Sonia Chiba.
Yeah, I mean, Martin.
Morning, you know, me na maji WOHO kan ho che ho mame, kan ho che ho. Morning na kasha ho no.
Matonjinya mone mokada masi Woniaye fuya kai
on eso na chiba.
Yeah.
Oba show no so we can say. O share nyom to na se no. Okojeje oko aso pay investors. O ma no mo money scam na die videos ni sa ne ma no.
Onua FM.
Na was so back no beton nyom no.
Yeah.
What I say we beton nyom na wanye scan sa da akokotwi omoka. Oba oba present nyom no to one radio presenter no okay him ka chen say onyum edie enye de efri na ekọ no e ma nyum biem What's a man among you? And you know the general quabuchi. So what I say, into Bohon, I want to miss her. I've been bono. You may be saying a strong for words of discouragement.
But the thing is that sad music life, music life, a hard life.
A hard life.
You need it's like a soldier. So sometimes you do a song. Wow, you say and you we and yet
move to me who?
What to me who? Like why and you who say and yet
what to me who's and you yet? Oh, be honest. Now we are far.
Oh, your
confidence be.
But the thing is that a level.
Onua FM 95.1.
Because we think say you over just say a fe. But what could do baby? We say a month for say you mo sing. So what has into a levels into level no. We say why are they not a month for budget so fine, but there are levels in everything. Until I believe say we enjoy because ye enjoy and ye quantity. First of all, you make people listen. People that have like music objective minds.
Yeah.
Go for a more objective mind. Like Obekacho who WOHO is just, someone who enjoys music. On nim technicalities in the Obekacho say de. Obisu Obeka say Charlie, production is wrong. Obisu Obekacho say melodies no. Go and change it. Until utie 1, 2, 3 people. No one say Charlie, I'm far. Answer. There's a truth in it. So sometimes you just
Onua FM 95.1.
But there's also the part where you do a song and you know that it's a beautiful song. A lot of people that have listened to it is beautiful. So sometimes enya about other people telling you say enya. Because if enya try other places, if they keep on telling you the same thing, then you realize there's a truth in it. You need to work on it.
Any bet me and the TV stations, never do stage bet me boy. A free system.
That's it. It's a new level, new level. Why do we play? That's what I think.
You are stating a point, say. So be the name by radio, huh? Then yet damn me more.
Yes, I make.
Chilemu ye because you're contract or trouble today.
The American say. So what they want your neighbor? You have to first of all evaluate yourself.
My evaluate me
evaluate it or say yeah. And now also or the abba. And there are things say the most important thing is say sometimes the moment feeling you now.
My mom.
It is normal like what they are there bring me.
Say yes, I saw by one way. A bay said the be at seven say Kjay the young by Ed. Felicia the name by any day. Let's see the occasion you know.
That's the thing. It's a bonus next time no qua about ye money ye. Now aba.
No yana ye so nyam no to. Let's send the nyam to.
That's the truth. Only me ya. Why obi wo ha or ye manager but or ye nyum. So that's it. Until later no wait me say because the music in a the word
Onua FM 95.1.
There are managers, there are agents, there are technical people there. Until waiting me finding your way.
Let's say you give up easily.
Yeah, if
you give up easily.
Who?
Oh,
me, Debbie.
Now you don't want to me. I say soldier because it's also to me. I say fellow soldier. Until say we are then I say in your obejai.
I mean, yeah, then I say in your but that doesn't mean I give up easily.
Now Ujana is just saying.
Does it mean I give up? Because we why ya why ya then you need to like
go back, re-strategize.
Yourself back.
Me cabro funny.
So what am I saying? No, I don't know if I still ujina ho.
We use the same method.
David. So what I say? Me can say this road, me find this road.
Onua FM 95.1.
It leads me here. The next time I need to use a different road and see where it leads me. So as I say, if I continue leading the same route, using the same route, I don't think I would arrive at where I want to arrive.
I'm not sure.
There are different ways of getting to a problem. I think, say, at the end of the day, say, we now far. Find a different way. Sometimes let someone write for you. Sometimes let someone write for you. Get a different perspective. Onua no producing engine. Onua a producer. Onua a bibia. Let someone else bring a different opinion to it. That's what I think. At the end of the day, you have a different vibe. I also continue here the same thing near
Onua FM 95.1.
Let me give you an example of myself. Me, I do jazz. I do soul. I do cool. But I realize, system Hano, you have to be doing something that is danceable and something that is vibey.
Yes.
So what I say? Yes. So you need to change your vibe. So I say, trying.
Bokus.
And one over. Sometimes you will be a bokus. So what I say?
Any bokus.
What's it?
Any bokus.
Oh, what called dinner, like proper dinner setting? Not among for the dinner and other things. There's a time for that. There's a time to play the jazz and the cools. Sorry, never say yes, sir. There's a time to play a danceable song. You have to know when you have to 95.1. I use myself as an example. And yet they be because we see the you need to think things are changing. So the dynamics now, and you have to change with the dynamics.
And then they see Niama Pound. And you interview Kaku, and they see Niama. It's a classroom, I just say. Teacher Kjay or church. You could tell your number and to Uncle Monaso.
Okay. You love the song, eh?
Beautiful. DJ Y, got on again. DJ Y, say those is 3 there. Let's say no call go to 3 points.
Onua FM 95.1.
Kjay,
yeah.
Annie, this is a beautiful song.
Yeah. And it was inspired by Ghana's Most Beautiful. So Mutiemia, you have to come and adapt the song.
So they audition power, you say audition.
So I said because Meshe, I've been watching Ghana's
the reality
Most
show,
Beautiful.
yeah.
And I've seen ladies do songs for Ghana's Most Beautiful.
The man kwana see you can for your home.
But
maybe you can for Banada.
How about a man's perspective?
Yes.
So I said because of Oberman will come for a bar. So I said so Oba come for a bar and nice, but Oberman come for a bar so a nicer. So I said so I thought that I should do a song too. Now
more can for man, do you mean it, guys?
I cannot talk for every guy. I can talk for myself.
The business at but you are representing your people.
Oh,
if you are talking for everybody.
Okay.
When I spokesman.
General knowledge.
Yes.
Okay, there are those that. So,
yeah.
You just tell the lady, you're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Okay. But there is one with an ulterior motive.
Which is mostly the truth.
Which
is mostly the truth.
Because like because can I be your friend? Can I get to know you more? Honestly, feel I know it's up to her. So as I say, by the end of the day, if a lady is beautiful, you just have to tell her. So
let's just say about 30% of the time now, Mokano without any interior motive. But 70% of the time, the Moka will be teaching to Moka. You want to be her friend.
Yeah. And I'll bro.
There's someone come for your quack.
Yeah, the come for quack.
Back and for you ever to you. So what I say. Because her back and forward, she wants nothing from you. She's just being real. She's just being a sister. Into most of the time.
Back and for Bema. She wants nothing from you.
She said, better say, Kjay, Onua fe. Mempel, Onua me fe pa.
Say to me, there were ladies that I can say, you are beautiful. But I just want to tell you, and there's no ulterior motive. And there were some ladies I would say you are beautiful because there was
you want to be their friend.
So
I know you're 30 without any intention. You're 30%. By Jane, you share better. Say Kjay, Onua fa. I know you're about 70%.
Felicia, what they are saying about?
And might na say say then clear no.
Okay.
Yes, Obaka Chebe say, bro, Onua me fe. Okay, you tell boy they looks really good on you. My dream fine I'm the kind.
Onua
I really mean what I said.
95.1.
But mono, me make us actually, but say me pay wo. It's not what pray. Say then can I get your number? What's a more pray?
Oh, but say no, and no.
What you say more pray me ba? Admit more pray na more pray.
Oh, yeah, pray. WOHO. And no WOHO. So what I say? But to me, generalizing in kasi and money
generalize it. Yes, 70% of a member.
You can't even say an okra stay a general.
Because
the thing is that the truth is that sometimes a lady has dressed nice, beautiful, looking good. You just want to compliment her and go your way.
You don't go your way, people don't go your way.
Oh, a bit was sir.
And then you see. What's around a pa? A member tell her compliment to about the big away. Now you know your number. Now you know your number.
Oh, can reality pal.
Me no me no reality. You know me no na you can ratings.
But the truth of the matter is,
okay.
Oh, when you see someone beautiful, just let the person know. Sometimes it puts a smile on the face of that lady. The Amepat channel says, Obi Oha, baby Ofino. Sometimes in a house, their home. She's beautiful, but they don't even see. So what I say. And it's in a deeper meaning that I'm trying to. Obi Oha, no efe, obian kanche no. We see no obian. Yeah, but just that word, oh, you're beautiful. It just puts smiles. More be feel confident.
Yes, it's
about themselves.
It's in Trondos until we don't feel confident about ourselves. So, which one, Papa? Which one say gay okay? Then when you for cry,
and no ho.
Or say in one for. Into yes, I met me say, hey, we want for then I met.
Onua FM 95.1.
Madam for you. Na ewi SS net fie. Nti me say o Felicia ne ho ye ne didi na obegina kwan na no. Nti girl bi obi twem bia. Who you feel? Madam, you are beautiful. Now, we're going to visit. Do you mean it was a Charlie? Because I said so. So I said, I know.
So Samega.
I know.
Nina agenda. Mammy, you are beautiful. Nina, all be lie. All be lie. You say, Obit me say, and I say that I think last week. I tell you, I'm ashamed to tell you, then you have crap. You are beautiful. Hey, brown can grow.
The sometimes the man sees past.
You see past. You see.
And I bro are the light.
Mukra X-ray eyes.
We see past that area.
You see past.
Sometimes even so, there's a lady that just wants some very straight stuff that doesn't really.
But you guys, you see the inner beauty.
See
inner beauty people.
A man will see outside that area.
So what you see? You see.
Beauty no and can.
You see why we say don't compliment us. You compliment us with an agenda which you are not ready for. Now, baby, you're someone who fair now. Who need to be the friend I want sign for. Jay, what did this for? This for another day. What
it's for another day because
this is a broad topic.
You over me.
So this is the current song.
Yeah, this is the current song. So as I was saying, I was inspired by
Ghana's most
beautiful. And I think that they are very beautiful ladies. They are very intelligent.
They are smart.
They are good looking. I mean,
Onua FM 95.1.
Looking at ladies do what they do. So I just decided that I'll write a song dedicated to them and see where it goes.
It goes. You know, you could try music video or your compound here.
So I don't know.
Oh, you could try music video. Manage Kjay.
Yes.
Kjay, our conversation is almost done. Any final words you would want to tell your fans?
First of all, Mami a cappella.
But because I'm so a cappella.
Mami a cappella of the song, so that you can really enjoy the vibe.
I beg, remove.
Are we good to go? Okay. She's a talk of town. You could love her frown. When she wears a gown, she could knock you down. When she smiles, it's nice. She's a kind of spice every man needs in life. She's the most beautiful Beautiful girl I've seen. Beautiful girl I've seen. You're the most beautiful. Most beautiful. Baby, you too fine, oh. You too fine, oh. You do look like temptation. Everybody wants you now. Even the sugar daddies, the envy of every man. Girl, you look so good. Even God agrees with me. The song I sing right now is for you. You're the most beautiful.
95.1.
Most beautiful. Beautiful girl I've seen. Beautiful girl I've seen. You're the most beautiful. Most beautiful. Baby, you too fine, oh. Baby, you too fine, oh. That's
you
it.
Are too fine, and you ready for Tuesday for you now. Tuesday, bro, for
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
Tuesday,
yes.
fine girls.
Yes.
KJ, edit the continue more. Say, dear mama.
Yes.
KJ, what final words?
My final words. First of all, over to me finding me on Instagram at KJ Live. KJAYLIVE. TikTok KJ Live 1. KJAYLIVE 1. And I want to thank my management for giving me
Onua
such
FM 95.1.
a beautiful interview with Felicia. And I want to thank God and thank my family. Also, I want to thank God for the beautiful voice He's giving me. Because so far, it's really, really helped me through. That's all I want to say.
KJ, and I'm in the ball and come on and Neno. He's a very, very wonderful, vibrant young man. I just say, the next word the year, Pam.